Charging stations are necessary to charge the battery of electric vehicles to power the vehicle. Wireless charging for electric cars is an interesting technology that makes electric car charging very convenient. Today we are going to discuss how wireless charging for electric cars work, advantages of wireless charging technologies, wireless charging standard, and a few cars and wireless charging technology providers. If you are here for the first time, we create videos about electric vehicle technology, electric vehicle news, deals and reviews. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified when I publish every single video about electric vehicles. Try to watch the video until the end and comment your thoughts below. Energy can be transferred from one point to another point without a direct wired connection. There are different types of wireless charging technologies in use. Inductive wireless charging, resonant inductive coupling, capacitive wireless charging, microwaves, light waves, etc. We focus on inductive, resonant and capacitive wireless charging. The first one is inductive wireless charging. The principle behind wireless charging technology is mutual induction here, the same principle of the transformer. Mutual induction is a property of a coil due to which it opposes the change of current in the adjacent coil. The wireless charging for mobile phones are popular due to the convenience of use. Electricity is induced in a coil that kept in an alternating magnetic field. The alternating magnetic field is generated by supplying alternating electric current to the coil. The frequency of the alternating current to the coil determines the size of the coil. For example, a high frequency current helps out to reduce the number of turns in a coil to have the same flux density. If the alternating current passes through the coil, electricity will be generated in the adjacent coil. The gap between the two coils, the number of turns in the coil, etc. affects the magnitude of electricity generated. The second one is resonant inductive coupling. This is a modified form of inductive charging where the range of charging is a few meters, whereas inductive charging has a short range. Resonant inductive charging is a commonly used method for wireless charging for electric vehicles. Do you remember the tuning fork experiment that you did in the school? The resonance causes the object to reverberate when the energy of a certain frequency is applied. In resonant inductive charging, two copper coils are used to transfer the energy. Both the coils are tuned to the same frequency and one of the coils is energized from the external supply. Then the energy will be transferred to the other coil that has been tuned to the same frequency. To charge an electric car, both the garage and the electric car are equipped with the coils. The transmitter coil connected to the power socket supplies the room with a non-radioactive magnetic field. It transfers power to the receiver coil that connected to the battery of electric car. The third one is capacitive wireless charging. There is another wireless charging technology based on the capacitance. It is known as capacitive wireless charging. In this method, instead of inductive power transfer, electrostatic power transfer happens. A plate of capacitor is installed on the road and other plate will be there in the bottom of the electric car. A high frequency AC current transfers power from the charging stations to the battery. Wireless charging is just a concept, or do we have a standard for wireless charging? SAE J2954 is an emerging standard for wireless charging for electric vehicles that developed by SAE International. It defines three classes of charging speed: WPT 1, 2 and 3. At a maximum of 3.7 kW, 7.7 kW and 11 kW respectively. This makes it comparable to medium speed wired charging standards like the common SAE J1772 system. A much more powerful WPT 9 is being defined for 500 kW charging for heavy duty vehicles which have the room necessary to mount the larger induction plates. This system has a demonstrated efficiency of 84% and sometimes can achieve an efficiency of 94% as well. Let's check out how wireless charging for electric cars work. There are wireless private charging stations and wireless home charging stations. When an electric car is parked on a charging slot where wireless charging technology is installed, the vehicle battery starts charging. Beneath the parking area, the coils are installed to generate alternating magnetic field. An electric car with wireless charging will also be installed with coils to generate electricity from alternating magnetic field. The vehicle parks above the charging slot where wireless charging facility is installed. Then high frequency electricity passes through the charging station. As a result, alternating magnetic fields are generated and electricity is induced in the adjacent coils in the car. The generated electricity will be converted to direct current using a rectifier and charges the battery. What are the advantages and disadvantages of wireless charging for electric vehicles? Wireless charging for electric vehicle happens when the car is parked above the wireless charger. The proximity of wireless charger decides how effectively the power transfers from the charger to the battery. Wireless charging for electric cars have advantages and disadvantages. The following are a few advantages. No need to carry bulky charging cables in the car. It is very convenient to use the charger during bad weather. It is safe since the absence of wired connection. It is maintenance free. They are immune to dirt and water. The space utilization inside the car would be increased if wireless charging stations are popular. The regular maintenance of power plug can be avoided. Do you know some other advantages of wireless charging? Please comment below. Even though the wireless charging have a lot of advantages, there are a few disadvantages as well. The charging should be standardized to make them popular. It is difficult to install a wireless charging system than wired charging system. The vehicle has to park the exact location where the wireless charging stations are installed. We can't expect wireless charging system all over the world all of a sudden, but I think it will gradually come. Do you know there are cars with wireless charging system installed? Electric vehicle manufacturers introduced cars that has wireless charging system installed. BMW introduced wireless charging for 530e performance plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. Along with BMW, electric car manufacturers and some other organizations manufactures their own wireless charging system. Plugless, Qualcomm, Vitricity and Nissan are a few examples. What is next in wireless charging? Wireless charging technology grows to another level where the vehicle could charge when it is being driven. In wireless charging at run technology, the vehicle runs on a road where the coils are installed and connected to the charging station's power supply at high frequency. The energy transfers from the coil beneath the road to the coil at the bottom of the car even if the vehicle runs. It is not a hypothetical charging technique but a proven method. I think we could expect in future we can charge the electric cars on the go. We have a video about one pedal driving of electric cars. Watch this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified when I publish every single video about electric vehicles.